guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add and edit text templates on CapCut PC. So go to the text button here and select the text template button, and also select the template that you want to use. I am just going to use this one. I'm just going to add it to the timeline, and here you can change the text. I'm just going to say welcome back, and then here bestie there. I don't know. And you can also adjust the positioning and sizing of the text template, but if you select this button right here, you can actually change the color of the font, the text. Not like all of it though. Maybe like the one on the bottom you can change it, but some you can, some you can't. Okay, this one apparently you can't, but like this one for instance, I think you can. But there are some that you can change the color. Just trust me on that. But maybe this one you can. Oops. Trying to find one that you can actually change the color of it. There you go. You can change. You can change the font and also the color of this one, like so. And that's basically it, really. That's how you can kind of add and edit text templates on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!